How are yous all? Today we have a nice creamy coleslaw. Should go down well in this summer heat. Let's get into it. Okay, so if you're getting any of these ingredients out of the fridge, make sure to knock on the door first, because you never know when there's a salad dressing in there. Alright, okay, we've a 1/4 cup of grated carrot, 2 cups of shredded cabbage, and make sure to give that a very good mix up. Mix it all up really well. Take your time on it and give it a good mix. Okay, so when that's done, we get out our 1½ teaspoons of sugar and 1½ tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And again, we give that a really thorough mix. Really mix it up there. Okay, so when that's done, we'll get our pinch of mustard powder. Put that in and give that another good mix. Try and get the mustard everywhere. And then we'll get a 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And again, we'll give that a really good thorough mix. Now if you don't have Dijon mustard, you can use a different mustard. But I'd say if you're using the English mustard, maybe drop it down a little bit. And lastly, we have 1½ cups to 2 cups of mayo. And we give that a good mix. Now as you can probably see, I went a little bit overboard on the mayo. So what I did was, I shredded up another little bit of cabbage, just a small bit, just to thicken it up a little bit. Again, you adjust this to your taste, however you like it. Okay, so there we go. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, and take it easy.